Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Sagar Bhatt and in this channel I teach price action trading. So if that is something that interests you, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. So today's video topic is about Tata Powers. Tata Powers has had a phenomenal rise in price. Recently I'm getting a lot of DMs that whether we should consider entering this stock, right? So you can see during the COVID times the price was at 30 rupees and now it's trading at a 500% premium, right? So many people are asking, should I enter now, right? So if you want to know that whether you should enter Tata Powers now or what should be the valid reason for entering now, all of these things will be covered in this video. So make sure that you watch till the end. Before we analyze any stock, we need to consider analyzing the sector that it belongs to, right? Because only if the sector is doing well, then the particular stocks do well, or at least most of the time. So let us do our analysis on Nifty Energy. So this is the stock chart of Nifty Energy and you can see that Nifty Energy has been doing pretty well. Okay, so once it broke this channel pattern here, not a perfect channel pattern, but yeah, once it has broken this zone, you can see that Nifty Energy has been doing well. Particularly the reason is the bull run and also the all the big companies are running towards sustainable energy, so that could be a good reason. So and also you can see that recently it has given a channel pattern breakout like this, and so currently you can consider that Nifty Energy looks very bullish, right? So now let's go on to analyze our Tata Power. So now you might ask me, okay, the energy index looks very bullish, but what could be a good reason to enter Tata Power at this price? So let's analyze Tata Power stock of previous prices. Okay, let me just open a higher time frame like weekly and let's understand the price. So what has happened here? You can see that Tata Power had a phenomenal rise during the 2007-8 bull run, right? It had made an all-time high of 160 rupees. Okay, at this price 160 rupees, and then what happened during the crash? It crashed bad and then it has entered a bear market, right? I mean a bear run, right? So you can see that Tata Power has been declining, the stock has been declining for the past 10 years, right? But that all changed after the corona crash. You can see that after the corona crash there has been a phenomenal rise, right? And now we can consider that it's doing well. So the first reason what looks interesting in this chart is that we can see that Tata Power has given an all-time high breakout. Okay, so when a stock gives an all-time high breakout, that's a very bullish sign. So that's the first reason. Now when we go on to lower time frames, we can also see that recently there has been this chart pattern breakout that Tata Power has given. Okay, so this is the breakout. So this looks, the stock looks very bullish, right? So this makes it a good opportunity for short-term trading. You can hold this stock particularly for a week or till maybe 6 months. Okay, and again, this is not any financial call or anything. I'm just sharing my analysis with you, right? So if you are considering entering here, make sure that you don't keep your stop loss just below here, okay? Because that will be a too tight stop loss. There is a possibility that stock can reverse back, okay, and then take support here and then go up, right? So if you are considering entering, then make sure you keep it below this level, right? So even if it tries to pull back and then go up, you are secure, right? Regarding the target, when a stock is at an all-time high, we don't keep targets. The targets are usually open targets because there is no possible resistance to it, right? So the stock can do really well, but you can follow your risk management. Okay, if you are someone who always looks for 1:3 risk reward ratio, then that could be a good point to exit. Okay, because of course the profit that you make in a stock is not your profit until you exit it, right? So it's always important that you consider exiting at some point. Okay, so I hope you like this analysis, and if you liked it and found it knowledgeable, make sure you let me know in the comment section so that I can make more such analysis videos. Also consider subscribing to our channel for more such videos. See you in the next video.